Hello friends, welcome to my next session. So today we will be looking into UI components in model-driven app. So model-driven apps are also known as the Dynamics 365 apps. Okay, so in last lecture we have already gone through the UI components of model-driven apps at the high level. So today we will see more in details, more into details. Okay. What are the UI components of model-driven app? So there is sitemap, we have tables, we have views, then we have forms, and inside forms we have tab, then we have sections, then we have columns, that is nothing but the fields. Okay. Then we have lookup fields, then we can have subgrids, then we can have command bar. So we will look into all these components in today's lecture. And in previous lecture we have gone through at higher level, like what is sitemap, what are the views. We have seen the forms, we have seen the subgrids. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will see that in more details. So let me open up the application for that. So I will just open up one of the pre-built application to show all these components in the model-driven app. So let me see if I am in the correct environment. Yeah, just go to the apps. Just go to the all and just play this model driven app, which is Power Pages Management. For now, in upcoming lectures we will create our own model driven app. For now we are just exploring the components, right? So we can use the predefined or pre-built application for this. So okay, so first component is sitemap. So sitemap is nothing but you can see here on left hand side. So this navigation bar is called as sitemap. Okay, so sitemap contains area, sub-area, groups. So if you see here website, content, security, so these are different groups. So these groups holds these links below it. So these links are called as sub areas. So websites is the sub area. Then we can have the lists, we have basic forms, we have contacts. So these are the sub areas. Okay. So just click on the sub area contacts. So here you will see the view. Okay, view is nothing but the table, da- data from the particular table. So currently we here we are seeing the data from the contacts table, and there is um, criteria on that, like filter on that, on the contacts data. So currently it is showing all the contacts which are having status as active. Okay, so if we select all contacts, then it will show all the data present in the contacts table. Okay, and when we are going to select the other views, then those are nothing but the subset of the all contacts having particular filter criteria. Okay, hopefully you have got this right. So if we select active contacts, then it will be the subset of all contacts where the status of the contacts is equal to active. So that's that. Then we have covered the views. Then if we dig into one of the contact, then it will open up the form and that particular record. Okay, so as told you earlier, form contains the tabs, sections, columns. So let's see that in detail. So this is contact form. Here in drop down we have selected one contact form. So there are different forms present. Also we can create our own form and we can select it from this drop down. Okay, so we will see that in our upcoming lectures. For now we will just dig into this contact form. So here if you see, it is summary, we have details, we have related. So these are nothing but the tabs. Okay, so these are called as tabs. So inside the summary tabs we have contact information, we have timeline. So these are nothing but these sections. If in details, the personal is a section, contact preferences is a section, billing is a section. So section is nothing but the collection of the attributes of particular record which are related to each other or which are related to this particular section. Okay, so personal is having gender, it is having marital status, birthday, anniversary. So related attributes are grouped together and are shown in a section. Hope you have got this. And we have gender. So gender is nothing but one column of that particular record on that table, right? So this column is also known as the field or attribute of that particular record. Again we have lookup column here, which is account name, which is linked to one of the other table account. So this particular contact Maria is linked with the Fabricum account. So if we click on this lookup column, it will open up the account record. See here Fabricum, and here under contacts Maria is related to that particular account. So these two are related. So we will see the relationships between the tables in our upcoming lectures. Okay, and so here this account name is called as lookup column, and in this particular record these contacts are nothing but the subgrid. So we may have more than one contacts here or no contacts, so it is a subgrid. So we can add another contact here. So let's add for our just demo. Okay, save and close. Got it. So we have now two contacts under Fabricum account. So just open up, just let's open this particular contact, and here now you can see account name as Fabricum. So it is the lookup column, and currently demo contact is also linked to this particular account. So hope you have got this, and if you have any questions you can comment down on this particular video so that I can try to solve that query. Okay, now we have a command bar here on the top, which are having the different buttons like save and close, deactivate, connect. So we can customize these buttons also, and we can add our new button, we can remove these buttons. And in the previous version of Dynamics 365, this particular command bar is known as the okay Okay, so where I am, just a minute guys, just a minute, so I will be back, just a minute. Yeah guys, so I'm back. So yeah, where I was, yeah, I was telling these buttons can be customized, and we can add remove the buttons. And in earlier versions of Dynamics 365, this command bar was also known as the ribbon. Okay, so right now we call it as a command bar. Okay, and yeah, we have pretty much covered everything, uh, all the components. We have seen the sitemap, we have seen the table, we have seen the views, what are different views are there. We have seen the form, the tab sections, columns. We have seen the lookup field. We have seen the subgrades. We have seen this command bar. Okay, so everything is pretty much covered, guys. Hope you enjoy my lecture and follow me for more updates. Thank you.